Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Grubhub. Watch the video till the end. To contact Grubhub, open your Google search. Type in Grubhub contact and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Here, you can see number of options to contact Grubhub such as customer care, press and so on. Click on the email to contact with Grubhub. Choose any of the options that is feasible for you. This is how you can contact Grubhub quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. If yes, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.